All right, let's talk about partition. This is easy. Partition destroys a co-tenancy. What kind of tenancies are co-tenancies? Joint tenancies, tenancies in common, and tenancies by the entirety. All those are co-tenancies. So don't be fooled. They can all be destroyed by partition. Of course, you can agree to destroy your co-tenancy. If you have a joint tenancy with right or survivorship, you can convey to someone else and thereby destroy it. You can go to court and get it destroyed by divorce if you're married, and that would destroy your joint tenancy or your tenancy by the entirety. However, most often on the bar, you're going to see co-tenancies destroyed by court action. Okay, so a judicial partition can be in kind or by sale, and in kind is preferred. Partition in kind is going to be according to the fractional interest of each party. I want to differentiate this from the interest in joint tenancy. Remember, the interest in joint tenancy in tenancy in common or joint tenancy, it doesn't have to be the same fractional interest. It has to be duration of interest. But in partition, we're dividing it in kind according to their fractional interest. So 60-40 in favor of Annie, 60% goes to Annie, 40% goes to Bob. Partition by sale will occur only if partition in kind is impracticable or impossible or would result in substantial injury to one co-tenant. Okay, so what's impracticable? Well, very obviously, a house would be impracticable or impossible. But division of some sort of other type of property, like an apartment building or land, that would be possible. In kind is preferred. By sale only if you can't do partition in kind. When can't you do partition in kind? When it is 1, impracticable, 2, impossible, or 3 would result in substantial injury to one co-tenant. And once partition by sale occurs or partition in kind occurs, each party is entitled to what? An accounting. Each party is entitled to an accounting. What is an accounting? It is a list or accounting of adjustments based on expenses and improvements to the land. So we're going to adjust what people get on a sale based on their expenses or based on any improvements they made to the land. Okay, partition in kind, partition by sale only if partition in kind is 1, impracticable 2, impossible or 3, would result in substantial injury, and each party is entitled to, that's right, an accounting based on their expenses or improvements to the land.